our supplies. So we have some like sky blue, and we have some like sun yellow,
And we also have purple, pink, and another pink.
and
That's a hot
fuchsia.
fuchsia.
And
fuchsia.
it includes, one dye, 2 protective gloves, rubber bands, and instructions. Oh, we got some t-shirts.
Everything
we
we
got
got
at
at
Walmart
Walmart.
with super duper TIEDYE. So let's get started. This is gonna take a while. Chloe, how did you do that?
There's a little thing
First we're gonna be doing our tie-dye pattern. So I'm gonna be using a fork, put it in the middle, and be twisting it. Just got done coloring our shirts.
Yep.
So now we gotta put them in our bag
Yep.
and wait to 6 to 8 hours.
Ooh, they're
See
gonna
the
look
back.
good.
Come back in 8 hours.
Come back in 8 hours. I will show
So
you
we
how
can
it looks like.
and reveal the magic.
Yep. But we're not gonna put them on.
No, we gotta wait until they dry.
Yeah.
So
But
come back.
6 hours later.
This is how it turned out. You see, we have some little reds here. We got some green.
we made
got some dark
green and some other stuff.
The sleeves are my favorite, so comment.
Thank
you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put the thumbs up, and comment down below.